to the thrift store. Let's see what gems we could find today. I'm off to a great start. Look at all these things I found so far. So I found these. I think they're like ice cream cups or something. They're very cool. I got 4 of those to start. These 2 vases here. Nice plate. That was my big score. Another nice vase. Looks like a fishbowl, kind of fancy. Pineapple vase. Very original. Ooh. Again, very original. But I don't think I'm gonna keep it bronze though. Couple glasses. Buddha. Can't go wrong with a Buddha. Another shiny plate. 2 more glass cups or vases. Big glass vases. I was so shocked how I could find these huge glass vases for so cheap. They were $1 or $2. Cute frame. Another fish bowl. An actual fish. Yeah, so this is all the stuff I found at this thrift store. Keep watching to see how I make them look all nice and new and unique. We start off here with the 2 matching glass cups or vases. I paint the inside of them. As you can see, it's moving very, very, very slow. The reason I paint inside of them though is they'll never get scratched. So it's kind of like having 10,000 clear finishing coats on top. Next we're going to work with the Buddha. I want it to sit on a stack of books. So I'm going to wrap it with this green wrapping paper so they all match. But you have to find the right size of book. As you can see, this one is too wide and it's too deep. So we'll try another one. This one, the depth is okay, but it's too wide still. So let's try something else. Yeah, these make way more sense. They're the right size. The only thing is, I think they're a bit too thin though. Trying different ways I want to set the books up, it just seems a bit off because they're too thin. So I'll try one more thing. See, now these make sense to me. They're the right depth, right width, and the right thickness. The only thing I found about this paper though is that it's too thin and it's hard to work with. I mean, I wanted it to all match and it's just gonna be for decor. I'm not actually gonna use the books, so it's okay. But if you plan on using the books, make sure you pick out a paper that's thicker, because it's unmanageable and it's very thin. It's just gonna rip when you're using the book. Okay, so now with the bronze vase, I mean, I really liked what it looked like, but for the overall look that I'm trying to achieve here, I'm trying to be a bit more modern, so it doesn't quite fit in with that color scheme and the theme either. So I decided to paint it all black. You'll see at the end, it just makes it more modern in the end. Okay, here it is all finished. You see here, these are actually Christmas balls, Christmas ornaments that I put in there and turn them upside down. Just kind of makes it more modern looking. And these rocks, you could actually put precious gems that you may collect if you like those energy stones. Alright, next please watch DIY Thrift Store Decor Part 2 to see 3 more looks that I've created with things that I found at the thrift store. Thanks for watching.